Shurley method, page 36, part 2, we're in exercises 2 through 4. So put a slash to separate each run-on sentence below, then correct the run-on sentences by rewriting them as indicated by the label in parentheses. So you guys are going to do 1 and 2 for homework. We will do 3, 4, and 5. Don't forget to write your answers underneath the sentences, correct? So Laura obeys all traffic laws. She rides her bicycle. So where's my backslash? Laws, and she. We have 1 and number 2. So does it go at the front or at the backslash? Backslash. So Laura obeys all traffic laws when she rides her bicycle. Okay. You watch closely. You will see how to do it. Where does my backslash go? Between closely and you. Okay. We have if and a number 1. So does that go at the front or at the backslash? At the front. So if you watch closely, what needs to come in is comma, you will see how to do it. Tim walked in the door. Everyone yelled at him. Where did the backslash go? Door and everyone. We have number 1. So the front or at the backslash? At the front. So as soon as Tim walked in the door, what needs to come next? Comma. Everyone yelled at him. Okay, so for exercise 3, identify each kind of sentence by writing the abbreviation in the blank. So I'm going to have you guys do 6, 7, and 8 for homework. And we will do 9 through 12 together. That brand of lotion works the best for me. What kind of lotion is that? Just a sentence, right? The big cats were fed raw meat, but the gorillas were given fruits and vegetables. So we have a comma and the word but. So you need to put the comma in the box and underline the word but. So what kind of sentence is that? Compound sentence, right? So C, D. Sharpened pencils and clean paper were placed on all the students' desks. So we have the word and. Is there any punctuation with it? Okay, so that we know that makes it a sentence with a compound something. So we need to decide if it's a sentence with a compound subject or a sentence with a compound verb. So we have pencil and we have paper. So those are subjects. Place the dirty dishes in the dishwasher so that they can be washed. Okay, so. Okay, anything else with so? We don't have any commas or things like that or semicolons. So we know that it's not a compound sentence, right? We know it's not a, hold on guys, we know it's not a sentence, it's a plain sentence, right? We know it's not a fragment. We don't have and, so we know it's not a sentence with a compound subject or a compound verb. So that leaves us just with a complex sentence. So, yes. Okay, exercise 4, here's something new. Underline the negative words in each sentence. Rewrite each sentence and correct the double negative mistake as indicated by the rule number in parentheses at the end of the sentence. So he, Number 13, he couldn't see nothing in the dark. So what are our negatives? What works? Couldn't and nothing, right? Okay. Then it says to go to rule 2. Rule 2 says take out the negative part of the contraction. So the only one that has the contraction is couldn't, right? Okay. So we would write he could see nothing in the dark. Now, what I like you to do is I want you to draw a line or like a squiggly line here so that when you guys are writing, it doesn't all just kind of mesh together, and when I'm trying to grade it, I have a really hard time trying to figure out your sentences. Okay? So divide that in 2. We doesn't have no painter for the job, so what's our negative? Doesn't and no. Okay? Then it says to go to rule number 3, remove the first negative word. Okay? So we're going to get rid of what? Doesn't. So we're going to write, we have no painter for the job. And then don't forget capitalization, punctuation. Okay? Each of those sentences, when written, are worth 3 points, and then also you're getting points for underlining the negatives as well. Okay, so depending on how many negatives you have to underline, and then also the 3 points for each sentence. The boys don't want nothing to eat. So what are my negatives? Don't and nothing. And it says to go to rule 1, change the second negative to a positive. So we're going to change nothing to anything. So the boys don't want anything to eat. Next one, Joe couldn't get no money at the bank. So what's our negative? Couldn't and no. Okay, and then it says rule 1 again, change the second negative to a positive. So what are we changing no to? Any. So Joe couldn't get any money at the bank. All right, so you guys are going to do 17, 18, 19, and 20 for homework. Okay? All right.